Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. May God our Father always be with us. I would like to introduce my niece named Gillian Axel Rogando Yuga. He is 3 years old, male, presently residing at 182 Marahan 2, Alfonso, Cavite. He was diagnosed last Tuesday, March 9, 2010, with acute lymphoblastic leukemia. He was confined to Philippine General Hospital or PGH, Taft Avenue, Manila. I am his aunt, and from this very moment, I am begging for your love and attention to my niece. I don't know how can I help my family. Through these videos, I would like you to meet my niece. His doctors want us to prepare at least 250,000 monthly for his chemotherapy treatment for 3 years for him to extend his life. My family can't afford to provide all his needs. I am calling the attention of those who are generous, kind-hearted, and God-fearing people to please help my niece to extend his life. Every one of us is still dreaming for our good future. At his early age, Gillian wants to be a doctor someday, but it is hard for him to reach his dreams when he is suffering from this kind of illness. Please lend us your good hearts and hands. I am begging for your financial help to our family. Please watch his videos taken before he got sick. Please let my niece smile again. Thank you very much for your attention. Once again, this is his aunt, Chona Rogando. For your help, you may contact these persons. Mrs. Arlene Rogando Yuga, Gillian's mother. She was presently residing at 182 Marahan 2, Alfonso, Cavite. This is her contact number, 0915-899-7440. And also, this is my contact number, 0923-355-8539. My bank account is 51-21994-7. Thank you very much once again. Sakura.